Tēnā koutou. This week in Te Reo Māori, we are going to be learning about things that we think are good, very good, and things that we don't like. The Te Reo word for good is pai. Can you say that? Pai. Now, can you say ai? Do you know what that means? It means yes. Now let's put those two words together with a joining word in the middle. We're going to say ai he pai. Your turn. Ai he pai. Ka pai, you just said, yes, it is good. He whetū koe, you are a star. All right, now the next word we're going to be talking about is very good. Does anyone know how to say very good using te reo? That's right, tino pai. Now it's your turn. Say it after me. Tino pai. Great, very good. Now let's put the word ai in front of it, and we'll say he tino pai after, like this. Ai he tino pai. Your turn. Ai he tino pai. Great, you have just said, yes, it is very good. He tino pai tō kōrero. You are speaking very well. Okay, the last thing we're going to learn is, if you don't like something, you're going to say no. Who knows what the word no is in Māori? Tino pai. Well done to those people who said kao. Can you say that? Kao. No. Kao. All right. Hey, we are going to do a little activity. I'm going to say something in te reo, and you're going to answer with whether it's good, very good, or no, you don't like it. Remember, if you think it is good, you'll say, ai he pai. If you think it is very good, you will say, ai he tino pai. And if you don't think it is good, you can say, kao. All right, here's the first one. He pai a aporo. Is this apple good? What do you think? Who thought it was ai he pai? Great. How about ai he tino pai? Who thought it was kao? How about this one? He pai a rapikama? Is a capsicum good? Who thought it was ai he pai? How about ai he tino pai? Is there anyone that said kao? For me, it is ai he tino pai. I love my capsicum. It is very good. Last one. He pai a, what is this called? Karoti. Well done. He pai a karoti. Is a carrot good? Tino pai. You are speaking really well. Tino pai tō kōrero. Well done. Okay, now it's your turn. You have got a worksheet. Hopefully your teachers have sent through. You are going to look around your house and you're going to list or draw things that you think are pai, or things that you think are tino pai, or things you don't like, kao. All right. Have a great rest of your week. Ka kite. I'll see you next week.